Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Donald on AI Chatbot Nova. We click on settings, and then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search for AI Chatbot Nova, and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.